write a program to count the number of vowels in a string. Okay, so here in a string I have to traverse one by one, so I can easily take for I in the string. You can easily, so if my string is this E, I have taken, because we have to count, so you have to take a count variable, right? Okay, so since we are counting, so we have to take a count variable, so that I have taken count is 0. Now for I in E, so here I have not used range function. Remember, range function when we use when we have to traverse few character, but if I have to traverse all the characters one by one, I can use directly the string name. So for I in E, so first my I will be A, right? So I am checking here if I is in A, E, I, O, U, or in small and capital, both have been. It can be in any, right? So if I, so the first is A. If A is in this, yes, it's true. So my count will increase, right? Now it will again go up. Now I will be L, correct? Now is L in this? No, it is not. So my count will still remain the same. It will go up. Now it will be, I will be P. P lies here, no. Again, count remains the same. It goes up. Then H, again count will not increase. Now again A comes. Then it lies here. It will come to this. Count increase it. It goes up. This way it goes, and finally it prints the count for me.